Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I have Deliteful boutique package. I'm so excited. Just want to open it up. So yeah, let's get into it. You know, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I do squishy videos and yeah, just watch my whole YouTube video, all my YouTube videos, and you'll see. Okay, I just tried to open it up. This struggles. This is my third package from Deliteful boutique, and you guys get the first peek if I can get this. Oh my god! Sorry. Wait, my end is on it. Okay, that. Oh, dough. What the hell? Oh my god! This is my extra bomb. Sorry about my nails, they're not painted. And just one is like, oh my gosh, this is so soft. Here is the packaging. This is Snowy, which is the Deliteful Boutique's mascot. This is the green. Okay, let me take this out. This does not really smell like anything. I'm not gonna squish it too hard because like, I know that it would like get defected so easily otherwise. Ooh! Those other things. My dream squishy's in there. Oh my gosh. Okay, one more time my packaging. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is the invoice and yeah, you guys know. You guys know. Here is the business card and my invoice and yeah, this card which says things and you guys already know that all says what. And I bought another one because I hope that I could get like a different one, but I got the same exact one I already had, but it was a random chooser. I don't really care, but it's like the same, literally like my other one. Comes with the tag, and I hope mine is squishy, airy. Oh, that's pretty airy. It smells really nice. This was... I got 2 lemons. Really? Oh my gosh! Tag. And with the chica. And no dust plus. Oh my gosh. And it was just a bit dented, but I don't really mind. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yeah, that's just that. And then here is the squishy. We come more because I just squished it, I guess. I'm not sure, but that's just the squished it part, and this is $10 or something. Or $8. Ooh. It feels really weird, but it's so nice. Like, I'm not sure if I put this like back correctly, but yeah, I hope so. And this is the other one. So this is, I just squished. Oh my god. And this one just doesn't have this. And this was $16, and normally these are like $30. It's the rainbow lemon. Oh my god. This one is a bit least surprising, or maybe just that other one wasn't. It was just for me squished that I didn't saw that wasn't. But let me take it. Oh, it's so airy. I'm so excited. So this scent isn't the best. So back in the packaging. Oh gosh! Oh, by the way, we've got bubble wrap as well. Oof, oof. Okay, so this one isn't sticky. And this was like the most expensive squishy in this whole package, but got out of the packaging. Oof. Like, oh my god. This is like a really different yummy bear. I just don't want to get this infected at all because it's like my... That. Let me put it back in the packaging because I don't want to get it. Ah! Okay, but it's the most exciting package in my whole entire life. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and yeah,